When you open your mind to the impossible, sometimes you find the truth. Builderall is the most complete and affordable digital marketing platform. That is why most people think there is a catch. So, a free trial is the solution.
I don't know what this is, but it's kind of hot.
Hello, I know you don't have time to listen to this video, so I will be very quick. The 7 irrefutable laws of successful businesses. First one is the perfect product. Second one is high demand and real application. Third one, an eternal niche. Fourth one, recurrent monthly income. Number 5, a perfect and irresistible offer. 6, professional marketing and sales funnels. And 7, sales leverage. So now you can quit the video. Bye bye. And I will go into details for those who have time. Those 7 irrefutable laws of successful businesses have been compiled by Eric Salgado, who is the CEO of Builderall. And of course, Builderall itself is a successful business. So those 7 irrefutable laws of successful businesses will try to show you that being an affiliate of Builderall match those laws. So it's a good niche to be in. Of course, the best things to do would be for you to create a Builderall so that you will own Builderall, but that is not very possible because it's very hard. But you can be an affiliate of Builderall, and this is very good also because you don't have to create anything. So, you don't own the business, Builderall, but you are an affiliate of it. So it's the second best thing you can have. Be realistic here. So for us, we can be affiliate of Builderall. So, once you're affiliate, you can think that it is your product. But how I do it, of course I don't own the company, but I tell myself, this is a product, it's my product, I sell it. But, for instance, Builderall, let's take Builderall. The price monthly is the full Builderall is $69. But me, I don't think about $69. I think about my commission. So the first month I earn $69. But then the other months, and as long as the customer keeps on paying Builderall, I earn less than that. It's about 40% of $69. So for me, the price of Builderall of my product is 40% of $69 per month. But otherwise, all the rest is the same. So when you see the perfect product, Builderall, you could also call it a high quality product, which is exactly what Builderall is. One of the best, if not the best, website builder and digital marketing platform in the world. Everything you need to build a successful online business is included right in Builderall's platform. So this is the perfect product. I mean, one perfect product. It's not the one, it's a one. So it's good, it matches those laws. Second is high demand and real application. The Builderall platform is the perfect solution for any business, entrepreneur, service provider, marketer, blogger, virtual store, or anyone else who needs presence and result on the internet. Look around and you can find someone who needs a website or email marketing, Google results, a lead capture system, online sales, online courses, membership websites, iOS and Android apps, and more. In fact, they bet you can find hundreds of such people. And those people are potential customers of yours. So this was the high demand and real application of the product. Third one is an eternal niche. It's really important to build a business that can last. Because Builderall is in an eternal niche, it will be around as long as the internet is around. And that will be a long time. Just like niches in energy, agricultural products, clothing, food, and transportation, our digital niche of hosting and software will be around forever too. This is a need on internet to publish. It's like, they don't say it, but it's like accommodation, a roof above your head. And Builderall is like a house to reside on the internet. to publish pages and create systems on the internet. So it is an internal niche. It will be needed for a long time to come. Number 4 is a recurring monthly income. Builderall is a software and internet hosting company, which means that just like any other platform, users know they need to pay for the service monthly because it is critical to their business. Each time a customer pays for their plan, you earn a commission. After you make the initial sale, you get monthly residuals each time your client pays their hosting bill. So you can grow your business monthly profits, and even if you only make the same amount of sales. You understand, this is because it's a recurring payment or recurring commissions, and so you can grow the base of your income. As you add more and more customers every month, you grow your recurring monthly income. Number 5, a perfect and irresistible offer. What really makes the sale is the offer, the irresistible, practical, and perfect offer. And Builderall has exactly that. We have offer our customers the most complete digital marketing platform on the planet. It includes websites, domains, pages, videos, hosting, support, training, tutorials, thousands of templates, e-commerce, application builder, and more. Starting at only $29 a month. And $69 is a full Builderall. That is less than the cost of hosting alone on other platforms. So it is an irresistible offer once you learn about it. Number 6, professional marketing and sales funnels. It can be a work of art for any professional to create a system that will find the right customer, create the right mindset, show the need and deliver the solution, create urgency, and of course, make the sale. We have a great team of digital marketing and design professionals who work every day to create high conversion sales funnels so you can have the best marketing available for your business. All you need to do is focus on driving traffic to the funnels. So basically what they're saying is that they have made professional sales funnels, professional in terms of designs and structure, architecture, and even to sell Builderall itself. It's like any other product you could sell for yourself. So you can sell Builderall using their professionally made sales funnels. Number 7, sales leverage. With Builderall's leverage affiliate program, you can have associate business owners working for you to generate incredible income leverage, which will accelerate your financial independence. We do not create competition, we create cooperation and partnerships, always based on real customer and solid recurring revenues. Now, number 7 is the sales leverage. It is talking about the multi-level affiliate program. You know, in Builderall, you have an affiliate program with your direct sales, and then a part of multi-levels affiliates working for themselves, but you earn a commission on their sales as well. On 3 levels, you have 3 levels of affiliates, and then on top you have your direct sales. So this is called the sales leverage, because you can recruit other affiliates to work the same as you, to promote Builderall, make sales for them to earn income, and then also recruit affiliates for themselves. And you do that so you can not only talk about Builderall and selling Builderall, but also talk about the business opportunity of reselling Builderall. And to those business partners, you can train them, you can teach them how you do to make your direct sales. So they can make direct sales, and each time they make a sale, you earn a commission. It's not the same commission as if you sold Builderall by yourself. It's a lesser commission, but it's like a network of distribution for your own product. Imagine Builderall is your product. As you can imagine it, like I said at the beginning of this video, I can imagine that Builderall is my product, even if I don't own the company, but it is my product. I sell it for less. In fact, the clients pay $69, but me, I see only what is coming to me, the commission. And when my people, my affiliates, sell Builderall, they have the commission that I make, but also me, I make a smaller commission on their sales. So it pays me to teach them, if they want, teach them how to sell more and better, to sell my product Builderall. And if they are successful, then I get more money. So it pays me for my time to work with them, to help them grow their own direct sales. So that's finished for the 7 laws of successful business. 7 laws, and Builderall needs them. So if you want to resell Builderall, you can go to in the description of this video or directly here on builderallrockstar.com, and you join for a 7-day free trial, and just contact me after and we can start from here. You know, to be a reseller of Builderall, there is a $50 fee per year, and I can pay it for you. So it's free for you to join and be a reseller of Builderall. I won't pay your Builderall account, but you don't need a Builderall account if you don't want to have one, or if you want to have one, you will pay it by yourself. But for the affiliate fee of $50 a year, I can cover it for you, because if you are my affiliate, you know, and then you can contact me and we can talk more about how to sell it efficiently and what to do if you don't know yet. Okay, so see you after you join Builderall. You have the link in the description or on the website builderallrockstar.com. Bye bye.
Don't let your kids watch it!